Greetings dear traders, I'm happy to welcome you to my channel. My name is Moore. In today's video, I'm going to explain my personal trading strategy, which for many years now has been bringing me very successful fruits and impressive results. And if you want to learn more about my specific strategies, my products, and join a team of professional traders, then join my free Telegram channel via the link in the video description below.
Now to my trading strategy. So we are already on the pocket option broker. As you can see, I've already selected the currency pairs. And as you can clearly observe right here, I'll be using the fractal indicator and the RSI oscillator now. The strategy is absolutely perfect for complete beginners and for those who do not have a great deal of trading experience yet. So, we are currently looking at this specific currency pair right here. It's simply far too volatile for us to handle right now. You can notice it by those large aggressive candles there, so to speak. Also, I'll be opening up several 1-minute trades for $100 each time. So, at this moment, let's start looking for some potentially interesting entry points. So overall, I think that we can open a strategic downward position right here. And why exactly is that? Because as we can clearly see on the chart, the currency pair is currently in the middle area, but it is moving closer to the oversold zone on the indicator. This suggests a potential reversal is coming soon. Overall, we have consolidation here. As you can see, a pattern like this is emerging. And I think that the chart will now slowly go down, so I've opened a downward trade. Let's see what comes of this. For now, yes, the situation is somewhat uncertain and unclear, but we need to patiently wait for a little while longer until the end of our trade. So we have very little time left. We are not quite in the black just yet. A new candle is forming. It is unfortunate that our very first trade is in the red, but please don't let that stop you or worry about it, my friends. I'll put down $200 to cover our Let's open an upward trade right here. Overall, I see a very strong uptrend with some very strong power coming from the sellers. The buyers. Consequently, I have made the decision to enter with them and support this upward trend. Overall, I think that for now, we are unlikely to see a reversal to the downside anytime soon. So, let's wait a little bit. We are in a very strong winning position for now. And I also want to raise a very important question that many traders frequently ask me. Do I have automated copying or do I have a professional trading bot? Dear friends, yes, I have all of that available absolutely free for all members of my private Telegram channel. And to join it today, it's actually very simple. As you already know, you need to go to the video description and there's a link to my Telegram channel there. I'm waiting for you all. Make sure to subscribe and trade along with the professionals. And yes, as you can see, the trade executed perfectly and yielded great results. It was a very confident trade setup. Let's not stop here. We also recovered the previous loss. Let's look for more interesting market situations to test our trading strategy in real time. So, let's see for now. We see a very strong upward candle here. The current market conditions aren't looking particularly favorable or promising right now. So let's go ahead and open a strategic downward trade right here. Overall, it looks like my pocket option platform lagged a little bit and I accidentally opened 2 trades at once. So as we can see, our chart is heading downwards. Overall, we are seeing some very strong downward candles forming right here. I think this is a good point to open down and support the downward trend. And we see the currency pair is oversold, but not that strongly yet. We also see that a green fractal has formed here. And that's why I decided to open a downward trade. So that is looking great. The chart is clearly breaking downwards. Super. We have very little time left until the trade ends. And yes, the very first trade is already in profit. And right after it, the second one is also profitable. Excellent. Even such a silly mistake managed to double my profit. Okay, now let's take a look at another different currency pair. Oh, we see a very strong upward trend here. I think that we can initiate an upward trade because we clearly see a very powerful upward trend. And as you can see, it's very steady. The market, or rather the chart, is constantly going up. I think this is a great option to open a long position, and looking at the RSI, we see the currency pair. Yes, it's currently overbought at the moment. There. I don't see any clear fractals forming just yet. Oh wait, I see that a fractal has formed right here, and our chart has dipped slightly, so consolidation has begun. So let's see what happens. Overall, I believe this is a very good situation. It's very simple, as you can see. It is as simple as it gets. This strategy is perfect for beginners. Because so many people ask me, Maury, tell us about your strategy. What strategy do you use? Which one should I choose? And so I'm recording this video just for you, to share my experience and my trading strategy. Okay, let's look at another example and analyze the situation. Okay, I see a quite fascinating situation unfolding here. I'll wait a bit longer and see exactly how the chart moves, especially if it starts to go down. I think so. Yes, it's a very good time to open a short position now because we see a very strong uptrend. I think we've already opened some successful trades here. The currency pair is heavily overbought, and under these conditions, a reversal is bound to occur sooner or later. It happens eventually, and the chart will inevitably at some point start heading down towards lower levels. We can clearly see that a local maximum has formed and the currency pair is currently sitting in a quite overbought position. So following that logical progression, I am opening a short position now. Plus I also noticed the formation of those two specific candles. And overall, it is very likely the trade will go short and the chart will continue to move downwards. That's why I went short. But at this moment, the situation remains unpredictable and quite uncertain. We just have to wait a little bit longer and then we'll take our profit. Overall, we've already analyzed many different scenarios, both following the trend and going against it, just like now. Basically, we caught a specific situation where we eventually realized that a reversal had occurred, a significant reversal on the chart. Overall, this has been a very informative and practical instructional video where we've covered all the different scenarios. I've thoroughly explained a very simple trading strategy to you. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to start trading with the best traders for free, join my Telegram channel right now. You will find absolutely all of my products, including copy trading, my trading bot, daily trading signals, and full support. And useful knowledge are absolutely free for you, dear friends. See you in the next video.